Welcome once again to my channel. Today we look into an aspect of physics which is quantities or unit measurement and dimensions. Dimension will be in additions. So there are things I want you to understand. Number one, I want us to talk about units. But before unit, let's see what quantity is all about. Quantity is no other thing than the property of a body or substance that can be measured. Yeah, anything that have the tendency to be measured. So that property is quantity. So whatever that have the tendency of being measured is what physics call quantity. So anything that have the tendency to be measured is quantity. We'll talk about units. Units. Unit is no other thing than the yardstick with which a quantity is being measured. What we use to, just for instance, we talk about fundamental quantity, which I told you in my previous video that there are 7 in number. For instance, mass measured in kilogram, length measured in meter, in that order, current in ampere. So that is what we mean. All these are, ampere is the unit of current, while current is the quantity, fundamental quantity there. So if I told you there are different classification of quantity, I think I can classify quantity into fundamental and derived. In terms of quantity that depend on combination of orders, we call it combination of orders, mean combination of 2 or more fundamental quantity, we call them derived. So why fundamental does not depend, they stand on their own apparently. So same things are applicable. There's also another way of classifying quantity which can look into vector quantity and scalar quantity. That will form the subject of discussion, usually chapter 2 physics in our maybe probably undergraduate or even the O-level. So these are the matters that you need to know. So unit is the yardstick with which quantities are being measured. Unit is the yardstick. So measurement is just the process of, how would I put it? The process of ascertaining the magnitude of a given quantity. Yeah. For instance, you go to market, say you need a cup of rice. You already know what cup look like. Same thing, or you need a mudu, or you need how would I have bag, or you need just bushel. So you know the quantity that is equivalent to all these things that you are mentioning. So the same thing is applicable. That is what we call process of ascertaining the magnitude of a given quantity is what we call measurement. So you have understood the 3 term: quantity, whatever that have the tendency to be measured; unit, the yardstick with which quantities are being measured; and then measurement, the process of ascertaining the magnitude or the size of a given quantity. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment, and probably drop your question if any. Bye.